From the sky, Tom Edelston has clear views of Sarasota County's country life.
It's the camaraderie of all the other pilots and the experience that everybody brings to one another to help keep it safe.
Keeping his Hidden River neighbors and fellow pilots safe is top priority. That's why he and the community of pilots are against this proposed cell phone tower. It would be in the direct path of his community's runway.
If they have an engine out, they're going to instinctively turn right, they're going to lose altitude, they're going to attempt to turn back, and they're going to hit that tower. Or at least you'll have to remember it's another factor to deal with in an emergency.
The North Carolina company Communication Tower Group, who has clients like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile, filed paperwork for the 195-foot cell phone tower. It would be built on property owned by a family of non-pilots in the neighborhood.
It would be just catastrophic. We just don't want it right on the end of our takeoff runway.
If this was a commercial airport, further studies would be required by the FAA. In a 10-year time span starting in 2008, the National Agricultural Aviation Association documented 40 tower-related accidents with planes, including 36 deaths.
There's smaller versions of cellular systems, and they only require short 10, 15-foot towers. Those would work. Put this anyplace else.
The company is still in their pre-application process, and before plans take off, residents hope the tower will be grounded.
If you want to put a cell tower up, don't put it in the traffic pattern of an established flying community.
In Sarasota County, Kimberly Quizon, Fox 13 News.
Well, the company has yet to formally submit their application, but Sarasota County says it could happen in about a month or so. We did try reaching out to Communications Tower Group, but have yet to hear back.